Look at this. Unbelievable, right? Two heads in that one body? Well, there are few animals in the world with two heads. No, you can't find them on streets as they are very rare. But on Jawid TV, we find everything at one place. Today is not just about the video, it's about you. I've got a question for you. Have you ever come across an animal with two heads? Let your thoughts shine in the comments below, and let's create a community conversation. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and now let's jump into top 10 rare animals with two heads. Your comments might just steal the spotlight in the next video. Let's make it epic together. Number 10, Twoheaded Dog. Have you ever heard of the Twoheaded Dog? This two-headed dog was found in Soviet Russia, but where other animals are naturally born with two heads, this dog was experimented with and made two-headed. It was somewhat like an organ transplant. This experiment was done by a scientist named Vladimir Demikhov. He stitched one dog on the back of another dog, and also the digestive and respiratory systems of both dogs were joined together. Number 9, Twoheaded Cat. This cat with two heads is very special because the more surprising thing than two heads is that the time when this cat was born was time 611, and the date that day was also 611. By the way, out of the two mouths of this little cat, only one mouth works. As we have been talking about from the beginning, animals with two heads cannot live for long. But in the case of cats, this thing has been proved wrong. The owner of this cat was very happy to have this child. Number 8, Twoheaded Lizard. Apart from being a Grammy winner and record producer, Todd Ray is also known for keeping two-headed animals. That is why they have also been given a place in the Guinness Book of Records. Todd also has a two-headed dragon that he recently imported from China. This crawling creature is quite different and attractive from the rest because it has two heads. Let us tell you that this two-headed lizard is a bearded dragon, which is a species of lizard. When this creature gets angry, the lower part of its neck turns black. For this reason, it has got this name. Number 7, Twoheaded Pig. In China, when a pig gave birth to many healthy children, one of them turned out to be a two-headed child with 3 eyes and 2 mouths. The same pig had 2 faces that were joined together. As soon as the people around came to know about this pig, some people even offered to buy this two-headed animal for a higher price. But the owner of the pig refused because he and his family liked the pig very much. Number 6, Turtle with 2 heads. When a person living in Mississippi saw a two-headed turtle coming out of the egg, his senses flew away. This two-headed turtle is the loggerhead sea turtle, which is a small species of turtle. Well, it didn't take long for the news to spread, and soon the turtle became a celebrity. Let us tell you that the possibility of the birth of this turtle with 2 heads is only once in thousands of millions. This turtle may be unique in appearance, but compared to the other two-headed animals, this turtle has to face more trouble because there is no shell on the body of other animals. Number 5, Twoheaded Goat. Jocelyn, who lives in the U.S. state of Wisconsin, became very upset when suddenly her goat started having problems in delivery. But as soon as the child came out, Jocelyn was completely shocked because this child had 2 heads. Jocelyn immediately told this her parents. Well, despite having 2 heads at this time, this kid is just like common goat kids and has been named Janet. However, till now, the reason for the existence of this two-headed child has not been ascertained. The same Jocelyn says that the head of the two-headed baby is slightly heavier than the rest of the goats, due to which it has a lot of difficulty in balancing. Number 4, Twoheaded Lamb. Many such cases have also been seen in countries like Australia and India, where sheep have given birth to a two-headed lamb. This case is from Australia. This sheep gave birth to 2 kids just a few days ago, one of which is entirely normal and is with its mother. The second child is two-headed. However, like in other cases, this sheep also had to struggle to give birth to this two-headed baby. Even more strange than this two-headed lamb is its movement. A lot of movement can be seen in the body of a normal baby, but there is no special type of movement in the two-headed baby. Number 3. Two-headed calf. When a cow gave birth to a child, something unique was seen. Actually, this case is from Rajasthan, India, where a cow has given birth to a two-faced child. This calf has 2 faces, 4 eyes, and 2 mouths. It can be clearly seen that the middle 2 eyes are almost connected to each other, and the distance between them is almost negligible. As soon as this child was born, there was a complete stir in the surrounding environment. Number 2. Two-headed albino milk snake. Two-headed albino milk snake has 2 heads, and the amazing thing is that both heads are working perfectly. Most of the two-headed snakes struggle a lot to balance their body, and sometimes they injure or kill themselves by fighting among themselves. That is why it is believed that two-headed snakes do not live long. This happens because along with 2 heads, these snakes also have 2 brains. Now, it is natural to have a clash between 2 minds and their different views, but here the matter is reversed. This snake can do every activity very easily. There is amazing coordination in both the heads of the orange and yellow-colored snakes. Two-headed snakes are no less than a miracle. Number 1. Two-headed fish. For some time now, it has become very common to meet two-headed fish, one of which is also a species of shark. Researchers and scientists have not been able to find any concrete reason for the birth of such two-headed fish. Yes, but scientists believe that at the time when the embryo of fish is being formed, changes take place in the embryo due to some abnormality. The reason for such abnormality can be anything, like overfishing, increasing pollution in the ocean, etc.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also do mention in the comments on which topic you want to see the next video.